I'm Jamie from Helpertech, and I want to speak to you today about cell phones and cell phone repairs. Have you noticed that your battery life is not lasting as long, or do you potentially have a broken screen like the one you see me holding here? Well, if you do, and you're in the River Falls, Wisconsin area, I'm going to ask you to come down to the Ace Hardware location in River Falls and get your broken screen or your battery replaced. We're now offering iPhone repairs out of the River Falls Ace Hardware location, and we're prepared to, again, change your broken iPhone screen, change out your bad battery, maybe you've got a faulty charge port, or any other issue that you might have with your iPhone. We're prepared down at the Ace Hardware store to get you taken care of and get you back on your feet. So whether you're from Hudson, Prescott, River Falls, or even Madison, I'm going to ask you to come on down, check out the Ace Hardware location in River Falls, tell them that you got an issue with your iPhone, and they're going to make sure to get you taken care of right away. So if you need any information, you can visit the website helpertech.com and click on the locations tab and find the River Falls location for the phone number and address to the store. So like I said, if you're in need of a cell phone repair, check out the Ace Hardware in River Falls. Those guys are going to handle you well and get you taken care of. Thanks for your time, everybody. Have a great day.